Hey guys, Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut here at CHNHQ. This is the last week to get my free stress management course, a $300 value, absolutely free, when you order the hardcover of Ripped at 50, A Journey to Self-Love. I packed everything in the book, and I packed everything in 6 hours of content in the stress management course. It's my gift to you, absolutely free in this pre-launch period right now. This is the last week to get it. Click on the link below. Hey guys, Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut here at CHNHQ. Today we're going to talk about apple cider vinegar, all the benefits, and how I roll each morning. Okay, so if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do that, and or the notification bell. And if you're watching on Instagram, go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay, so apple cider vinegar. Before there was hospitals, doctors, pharmacies, stores, there were a handful of home remedies. Apple cider vinegar was one of them, baking soda was another, hydrogen peroxide is another, borax is another, turpentine is another. So really understand your old home remedies and then understand the plant medicines that were here to support us early on, before there was hospitals. But apple cider vinegar is excellent for cutting fat, lowering cholesterol, lowering blood pressure. It's basically a cure-all. At least word around the campfire. I don't know. You try it, right? Because nothing has ultimate meaning until you put it in your body, you test it out, and you look it in the mirror. That's how you change yourself. Okay, so what I usually do, roll up to my little herb cabinet or my elixir station in the morning. I eyeball everything, but you could probably start out with 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons, that's like 4 tablespoons. Now, just brushing up on all the good things on the video that this has in it, I realized, oh my God, I want to drink this right now. It cuts fat, it increases satiety, so you feel, you don't feel like you have to shovel so much food down your throat if you've got that problem. Maybe you can't stop eating. I don't have that problem, but I do know that people do have that problem, and I used to have that problem when I used to eat carbohydrates. Look at this, so you get a little volcano going, woo, drink it, before it spills all over the place and your old lady starts yelling at you. Okay, so you drink it just like that. Very refreshing. If you don't have kombucha, that works just as well too. If you want that kind of effervescence, burpee kind of action, like I do. So just a little bit of baking soda. If you put too much of one thing, it's just going to volcano all over the place. And you can't really do it wrong. So again, how I think it dissolves fat, because I was trying to figure this out with my own reason and logic. I was like, dissolves fat, like how does it do that? Well, my understanding is vinegar is actually the only thing close to, people think bleach will knock out mold, but vinegar actually will. And how it tells me in my brain that it works, there's a protective coating around a cell or around an organism, and this dissolves that. It allows that to be basically washed away. So fat structures as well, lipid structures. So if this fills you up, it brings that satiety on, and then it also opens up the cell wall with all that fat for the lipid structure. Then those fats can go into the bloodstream. You're not as hungry as much, and so your body can start burning that stuff up. That's the science behind it. If you are an armchair quarterback that likes to comment in my box on YouTube, tell me if I'm right, because it sounds like I'm right. Could be wrong. I'm always happy to entertain the fact that I could be wrong, but I'm usually not. I'm usually always right. So have a great day, and don't tell your wife that you're right all the time, because she won't like it.